जय भारत डियर ऑल अद्वितियंस। आई होप कि आप सब अच्छे होंगे, अच्छे से नोट प्रिपेयर किए होंगे और साथ में एमसीक्यू भी आप सॉल्व कर रहे होंगे, राइट। अब हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में क्लोरोप्लास्ट जो उसका डिस्कशन किया था, उसका स्ट्रक्चर हमने देखा था, फंक्शंस देखे थे, राइट। फोटोसिंथेसिस का थोड़ा प्रोसेस जो है वो मेटाबॉलिज्म भी हमने देखा था। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज साइटोस्केलेटन, राइट। What is the function of skeleton? Skeleton is basically a structure which provides support to the entire framework, right? So here we are talking about the framework or skeleton of the cell, which is made up of mainly two things. One is microtubule and the other one is microfilament, that we have already discussed when we discuss about the eukaryotic cell, plant cell and an animal cell. Okay, now let us start with this topic. First of all, cytoskeleton. So cytoskeleton is basically made up of microtubule and microfilament. Both are protein-seous filamental structure which provides structural framework to the cell. So what is the function of cytoskeleton? It provide we can say that the framework or texture to the cell to support the all organelles which are present inside the cytosol. Okay, now first of all, we are talking about the microtubule. Microtubule is a hollow structure. Microtubule is what? It is a hollow structure, right? This is the microtubule. See, this microtubule contain lumen in it, and the wall of that microtubule is formed by two kind of subunit of tubulin protein, that is alpha subunit and beta subunit. So alpha subunit and beta subunit, again alpha and beta subunit alternately arrange in a form of spiral banding and it form a wall of this entire microtubules, right? So if we see this microtubule from the side way, you can find out that B unit, alpha unit, beta unit, alpha unit, alternately there is a band of this kind of a unit, and both are form of what? Tubulin protein. This is the important part, right? Microtubule is made up of what? Tubulin protein. Okay. If we see this microtubule from the aerial view, you can find out that this microtubule or a wall of microtubule is formed by 13 protofilament. It is made up of what? 13 protofilament. So 13 protofilament are we can say that they are settled in a circle form and they develop a lumen in it. That lumen, because of that lumen, this microtubule is what? Hollow, right? So such 13 microtubule or protofilament, sorry, that's 13 such protofilament form single tubule which is a hollow, right? These are hollow unbranched cylindrical structure and are found in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell. किसमें होगा? Cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell में. Microtubule किसमें नहीं होता? Microtubules is absent in prokaryotic cell. Okay, the wall of microtubule is composed of 1 to 13 protofilaments made up of alpha and beta subunit, and basically it is made up of tubulin protein, and the association of alpha and beta subunit that required GTP, that is guanosine triphosphate, right? That is also an energy molecule like ATP, right? But here the difference is that GTP has nitrogen base guanine, right? Instead of adenine. Okay, so GTP and bivalent ion calcium plus 2, these are the two element or substance which are required for the association of this alpha and beta subunit to form entire microtubule, right? The next point is that this microtubule are found in a cilia, flagella, basal granule. Basal granule is a part from where flagella and cilia will be formed, then centriole and spindle fiber. Spindle fiber is formed at the time of cell division, right? Particularly in a metaphase of M phase, right? Okay, so spindle fiber is related with the separation of chromosome from its centromere part. Okay, so this is all about the microtubule. Microtubule is absent in prokaryotic cell. So here we are done with the microtubule. The next part is microfilament. Microfilament is a solid structure and it is formed by many small globular protein actin. This globular protein undergoes a process of polymerization and it forms a fiber-like structure which is known as fibrous actin, that we will discuss in a chapter of locomotion and movement because it is found in the muscle cell. Okay, but basically it forms a solid rod-like structure. That means here there is no lumen in it, right? Okay, so filament is a solid roll-like structure, it is unbranched structure, and it is made up of globular protein actin, right? They are found in cytoplasma and are also associated with the plasma membrane. Supposing that this is the plasma membrane, near to plasma membrane, there is, we can say that there is a layer of such kind of microfilament, and it is also found in the cytoplasmic region, right? So it is scattered as well, and it is also accumulated just inside the plasma membrane. Supposing that on the outer side there is a food particle, right? And this kind of arrangement that we have discussed during the process of endocytosis, when any food particle come in contact with the plasma membrane perform Gel-Sol-Solger mechanism, right? That Gel-Sol-Solger mechanism, as well as we can say that the pseudopodia formation in case of amoeba. This process takes place with the help of this microfilament, right? Okay, so they also help in pseudopodia formation, particularly in amoeba, and cell furrow formation. Cell furrow formation takes place at the time of cytokinesis, whenever we are talking about the cell division of एनिमल सेल में ऐसे ये दो साइड से मैंने डेवलप किया है, दैट इज नथिंग बट द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द साइटोकाइनेसिस प्रोसेस व्हिच डेवलप व्हाट सेल फ्यूरो. इन केस ऑफ प्लांट सेल देयर इज अ सेल प्लेट फॉर्मेशन. So cell plate formation and the development of that plate is from center towards the periphery. In case of animal cell, cell furrow development is from periphery towards the center. From periphery towards the center in case of cell furrow. In case of cell plate, from center towards the periphery. As we know that the cell plate is formed by the phragmoplast, and the phragmoplast is nothing but the fragment of ER and the Golgi complex, right? सारे पॉइंट जो बहुत ही इजी पॉइंट है. आई होप कि ये कॉन्सेप्ट जो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. इन नेक्स्ट पार्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द सीलिया, फ्लैजेला एंड द ब्रेसल ग्रैन्यूल एज वेल एज द सेंट्रियोल. आई होप you like this lecture. If yes, you can share that information with your friends, right? And you can also subscribe our channel, that is Advait HUS, to get the enormous, we can say that the beautiful video regarding the physics, chemistry, biology and maths. Thank you so much. Love you all. Stay tuned. विद्यार्थी देवो भव. जय भारत.